Have you ever felt that with you?
I feel inferiorly superior. I feel no, I feel very conscious and aware of my social currency in terms of my identity, independent of my mother, my father, my lineage, etc., etc. But I'm also intrinsically aware of my capabilities and my skill set that I know most people haven't been able to see because of their own biases. But I know it's there because I've been on film sets and in professional scenarios where I know my turnaround time to deliver a task versus seasoned professionals. So I can gauge, and I'm pretty objective in that sense. And gauging this in repeated scenarios, I know that I'm standing at a pretty strong skill set. But I'm also aware that people have a perception, and it's going to take a lot more to change that, or it's going to take a dumb stroke of luck to change that. So the inferiority comes with being aware of the perception. The superiority comes from just purely, you take all of that away, put me on a film set with some of the best actors in the country, मैं टक्कर का काम करूँगी, मैं जानती हूँ.
Nice.
और कर चुकी हूँ.
Nice. You know, my definition of gauging intelligence in people is how well are they, like what are their insecurities and wounds, and how well aware are they of those insecurities and wounds and shortcomings.
Really? I would have never thought of that.
Like that's my little definition. So, and in your case, I really like, that's why I like talking to you, and we always end up talking to like for hours.
Yeah.
And so because you're very aware of your strengths and shortcomings, probably not to an extent of what you would like to be, which is always work in progress. But you know, like you're very well aware about ये मेरी शॉर्टकमिंग है, ये दुनिया की है, ये इसका है, ये मेरी पर्सनल बायस है, ये क्योंकि दुनिया ने मुझे बोल बोल के ऐसा कंडीशन कर दिया, ये मेरे बचपन का पैटर्न है, ये मेरी डिपेंडेंसी इशू, आई डोंट नो, you know it and you're well aware of the fact and you're okay with it. To me that's a very high sense of intelligence, क्योंकि लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता वो ऐसे क्यों.
But is that EQ or is that IQ? And are they both different?
I don't know. I wouldn't know. EQ, IQ मैं आज तक समझ नहीं पाया.
I guess so.
I understand one thing I call energy quotient. That's it. I think I'm intelligent for my own gains.
What do you mean? Like you can judge someone's energy?
हाँ, like just like जिसमें energy invest करना है नहीं करना है. Whether this, do I want to invest my energy in this relationship which will manifest into either friendship, brotherhood, romantic relationship, just mentor, mentee, professional, whatever. So I will invest, or else I would just back off. And I think I have this instinct, gut feeling जहाँ पे मैं करता हूँ नहीं तो नहीं करता. कुछ कितनी अच्छी privileged job है मेरी.
I think so. मेरी भी. And this was one such privileged experience, I think. I'm very happy that.
Thank you.
Hello.
Okay. What's up? How are you?
Very good to see you. Finally, we're doing this. Have a seat.
Would you get time to go to the gym?
Rarely. Like 4 days a week.
That's not that rare. It's quite good.
But I want to go every day.
So like what would your activities be?
Weightlifting, boxing, just mobility drills, animal flow, stuff like
Oh,
that.
animal flow and all.
हाँ वो मज़ा आता है उसमें. Very tiring. Like in 20 minutes you get
Exhausted. I was doing calorie
Calorie
paired.
paired.
It's actually calorie paired.
Okay.
I've learned. I also used to say calorie paired. And a lot of that actually integrates animal work.
थैंक यू सो मच ये एपिसोड एंड तक देखने के लिए. अब आपको 3 चीज़ें करनी है. नंबर 1, अभी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि जितना आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे उतने ही बेहतर हम गेस्ट ला पाएंगे आपके लिए. नंबर 2, प्लीज़ कमेंट में हमें बताइए कि हमने क्या गलत किया और क्या अच्छा किया, ताकि उस फीडबैक से हम सीख सकें और आपके लिए और बेहतर एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट कर सकें. एंड नंबर 3, ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना, क्योंकि एक कॉन्वर्सेशन इनफ होती है किसी की ज़िंदगी चेंज करने के लिए. I'll see you next time.